Hi, my name is Brenda, a Resene colour expert, and I'd love to talk to you about choosing the right shade of white. Here at Resene we have about 100 to choose from. First, let's understand the space that you're working with. Is it a new build or is it a villa? Is it sun-drenched or shady? Are the ceilings high or standard height? All these questions I like to ask because it's going to affect how much light is coming in and how reflective is it going to be. Once I know about the space I'm working with, I like to think about the tone. Cooler whites will give you a more modern feel and warmer whites will give you a softer tone. Without getting too complicated, I want to briefly talk about strength variations. Resene have some white shades that come in up to 6 strength variations to help you build a tonal colour scheme. Basically, different parts of the room can reflect light differently. An off-white used on the ceiling will look much darker than the same colour on the wall because there's less light reflected. Using a full strength on the walls and an 8th strength on the ceilings ensures both colours are balanced. It's important to remember that colour can take on hues from surrounding objects, such as carpet, flooring, curtains or furniture. You can always check this out by using an A2 card and your chosen colour in a test pot, blue tack it on the wall and see how the elements around it is going to affect the colour. Finally, if you really want to keep things simple, I recommend you look at this, Resene's Whites and Neutral colour chart. It has all the best whites and neutrals in it and will ensure your look will last for years to come. And there you have it, your guide to choosing the right shade of white. If you need help, come in and say hi to one of our Resene colour experts.